Welcome to another video. So Blender Market's yearly sale event is here. From now till the 3rd of December, you can save 30% on thousands of Blender add-ons, asset packs, models, textures, rigs, and more during this Cyber Monday sale. So let's start with the weekly popular add-ons. Here you can see that we have True Terrain 5, a newly released add-on that helps you make realistic terrains quickly in Blender. This lens sim for making real-life camera lenses in Blender, it's very good. And these are nice add-ons and assets too. So for best asset libraries, the folks at Polygonic have joined in for 30% off on all their products. Maybe you want Botanic, Traffic, Internet, or basically anything you like here, which is at 30% off. Now I will quickly name the best add-ons and assets. Firstly, Auto Rig Pro. For rigging your characters in minutes, B-Production has awesome assets and add-ons. Blender Procedural also got amazing assets and bundles of add-ons that you might need. We have Light Wrangler Essential Lighting add-on for Blender. Polyspace has interior asset bundles for you to get. Any tree turns any shape of mesh into tree. Physical add-ons also have all their add-ons on sale. Ducky 3D, a very popular Blender YouTuber, is also giving 30% off on his assets. And courses, Creative Shrimp, known for their amazing courses, are in the sale. The folks at CG Cookie also provide amazing courses. You can come here and find the one you like. So that's been it. I will leave the links to all the add-ons mentioned in the description. And YouTube thinks these videos are perfect for you. Comment below which one was your favorite. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.